Beginners who master these 5 techniques can easily improve their driving judgment skills. It's recommended to like and save this tip. When parking, observe the lower edge of the left side mirror. When it aligns with the bottom of the obstacle in front, the car's distance is about 30 centimeters, a perfect position to stop. When reversing, if there's an obstacle behind, pay attention to the front door handle in the mirror. Once the door handle aligns with the obstacle behind, the rear distance is also about 30 centimeters, just right for stopping. When parallel parking, align the wiper joint with the edge of the curb, then straighten the steering wheel. Keep the joint moving along the roadside line. Once the car stops completely, the distance between the car and the curb will be the ideal 30 centimeters. When turning on a narrow road, observe the angle between the left side of the hood and the A-pillar. When that angle aligns with the edge of the curb, you can turn either left or right without scraping. If there's an obstacle beside you while turning, just focus on the B-pillar. Once the B-pillar passes the obstacle, turn the steering wheel fully to make a safe turn.